Feeling bored sucks. It makes you feel like a huge loser. You know that everybody else is out there having an amazing time, but you can't think of anything to do. And when you search on YouTube things to do when you're bored, you've got a lot of really exciting things to choose from. Like putting glitter on a banana. Awesome. Or sticking pencils through a bag of water? Okay. Making cupcakes, wearing the icing on your face, and getting fat always makes me feel better. Gentlemen, good news. I'm not gonna let this happen to you. And so today, I'm going over 10 alpha things you should do next time you're bored. All 10 of these activities are AaMaLphaM approved, as in they're things that I do that I think are a lot of fun that might be a little bit different than anything you've thought of before. The good news is that none of them do require much money, and they're all amazing. Number 1.
Go for a bike ride.
Whenever I'm feeling bored, I'll hop on my bike and go for a ride. Just cruising around. I don't even need a destination. It's just something about being outside, pedaling, the wind. It's just therapeutic, it's beautiful, and it's amazing. Don't you agree? Number 2, go on a date with your mother. Seriously, take your mother out on a date. Take her to get coffee, take her to get a slice of pizza, maybe even a burrito. The deal is this: your mom, she loves you. She wants to be with you, but you only see her on like occasions and occasionally. But calling her up and being like, yo mom, let's go grab a frappuccino. I'm gonna pick you up in like 10 minutes, cool? No, she's not pregnant. I don't need money. Just wanna hang out. It usually goes something like that at first, but I'm telling you, once she agrees to go out with you, it will make her year. And in my opinion, it's just so incredibly important to connect with the people that love you. And there's nobody that loves you more, other than me, than mom. Number 3, hit a local museum or art galleries. Another one of my personal favorites. Going and exploring different art galleries in your area is a great way to spend some time and really expand your mind. It's amazing what happens to you creatively when you're around a bunch of creative things, for me. And art galleries are one of those things I love, just going, looking around, seeing what things cost, seeing what people are charging, and just seeing how amazingly beautiful and creative some people are. Number 4, clean out your closet. When you're bored, this is the absolute perfect time to do a little decluttering, going into your closet and purging it. It's going to make you feel better, it's going to make you feel more productive, and ultimately you're going to find some things that you haven't worn in a while that you can rock and go do something incredibly fun. Number 5. Photo sesh. Photography is something that I recently have kind of gotten into, but it's incredibly fun. And whenever I'm feeling bored, I'll just grab my camera and go and just take pictures. Sometimes I take pictures of people, sometimes I take pictures of trains. More specifically, train graffiti. Check it out. Here are a few of my favorite trains that I've recently photographed. I love good graffiti, and there's just something about trying to capture it on a train that's actually moving. I'll just use my phone, but you want to see something that I actually got that is so cool, right? One of the trains, I got Alpha, and I took that picture and then I had it blown up and actually put into this frame. I'm not that great, I'm getting better, I'm trying to learn, and recently I took a class by a guy named Trashhand, who's like a Chicago street photographer. The class is over at Skillshare, who happens to be today's video sponsor. And tip number 6. The 6th incredible thing you can do when you're bored is learn something new, learn a new hobby, learn a new skill, and there is no better online resource than Skillshare. Guys, there's a link down below that is going to give the first 500 people that hit that link the first 2 months of Skillshare absolutely free. 500. Anyway, Skillshare is incredible. They've got over 20,000 different classes and things like photography. They've got entrepreneurship, business, all sorts of incredible classes. And the best thing about Skillshare is that these classes are not taught by professors. The professors are people that actually do it. If you're an entrepreneur or somebody who wants to start a business someday, there are 2 classes that are an absolute must. The first class is Presentation Essentials, How to Share Ideas That Inspire Action by my boy Simon Sinek. The other one is Context is Key, Social Media Strategy in a Noisy Online World, Gary Vee. Both of these classes are they are so freaking incredible. It is ridiculous. Simon Sinek is amazing. He did this book called Start With Why that I have just been the biggest fanboy over. This class is just amazing, and it's all about communication and sharing sharing your idea that inspires action in others. Gary Vee, well, everybody knows Gary Vee. It doesn't get any bigger or better when it comes to social media and strategy and growing your brand than that guy. And that class also will change your game. But it's not just business. They've got incredible classes in filmmaking, in writing, in design, and photography. There's a link down below. For the first 500 of you that hit that link and sign up, you get the first 2 months of Skillshare absolutely free. After that, it's like less than $10 a month for unlimited classes, unlimited learning, unlimited amazingness. Number 7, I'm gonna get some shit for, but it's amazing. Go antiquing. Don't look at me like that. Antique stores are incredible. They're fun to go and just explore. I love going and just strolling around, spending some time, grabbing a coffee. I'll put my headphones in, put on some music, and just like slowly walk around and look at all the different stuff. It's just cool, it's fun, and it's something to do when you're feeling bored. Number 8 is go for a hike in the woods. There's something about being in nature, being in woods with trees all around you, with rocks and dirt and birds and all the noises and smells that is absolutely invigorating for me. I feel incredibly close to nature. I just feel peaceful. And it's also an amazing opportunity for me to sort of think and just decompress. I love hikes. I love going and being outdoors. And for me, it's about rejuvenation. Number 9 is go explore your city. I know if you're anything like me, there are lots of things and places around your town that you've heard about, that you've never gone to. This is the perfect opportunity. When you're feeling bored, go and get outside of your rut, get outside of your comfort zone. Go exploring. See what's out there. Just be careful you don't end up in like a sketchy section, because I've done that before. And last but certainly not least, the 10th thing that I do when I'm bored is I binge watch AlphaM videos. I can't get enough of the damn things. They're amazing. And afterwards, I always feel better. What about you? What do you do when you're feeling bored? Down in the comments, let us know. And if it involves your banana and glitter, we're not listening.